Struggling with how to write an essay that grabs attention and gets top marks? Here's a simple breakdown. First, nail your thesis statement. It's the core of your essay. Make sure it's specific, arguable, and sets up your main argument. For example, instead of saying, social media impacts students, try social media's constant connectivity disrupts students' focus, leading to decreased academic performance. Next, organize your thoughts with a clear outline. Start strong with an intro that hooks your reader, like a surprising statistic or a bold statement. For your body paragraphs, dive deep into each point with evidence and examples. Don't just list facts, but analyze them. Finally, wrap it up with a conclusion that not only restates your thesis, but also offers a final insight or call to action, leaving your professor thinking. Feeling overwhelmed? We're here to help. Let us craft an essay that not only meets your requirements, but also impresses. Visit our link in bio to get started.